welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video, we are going to discuss how you can get the free certification in lean management. And friend, this is an international certification, and anyone can take these courses from any country, and it is absolutely free. So please watch the video complete to know regarding the getting the free certification process and how you enroll in these free certification courses. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So, friend, you can see here this course is provided by the skill up by simplilearn, and friend, it is a free certification courses, and I will provide this link in the description box so that you can easily enroll in this free certification courses. So friend, here you can see lean management is given, and you can see 19,543 learners are already enrolled in these courses. So friend, let's check what you will learn in this free certification courses. So you can see here, this is an introduction to lean management, and will train you on the concepts and principles of lean management, and it is ideal for quality managers who want to streamline their process and drive the best value for their enterprises. And this free program on introduction to lean management can guide you how to increase value for customer, how to identify ineffective activities, and also take necessary action whenever required. And friend, students who wants their career in the quality sector can also enroll in these free certification courses. So you can see what types of skills you will learn in this, like lean management concepts, lean principles, type of waste, lean tools, what are the various lean maturity metrics, what are the lean in manufacturing, and what are the different types of lean techniques and metrics, and theory of constraints. So this type of skills you will learn, and you can see it is ideal for the you can see here, like quality managers, project managers, quality engineers, operation manager, quality auditors, and quality analyst. So let's check what are the various modules available in this free certification courses, and after that we will discuss the certificate and how you will enroll in these courses. So you can see here total 9 lessons are given. You can see like introduction, types of waste, tools, lean in manufacturing, lean in service, in office, metrics. You can see other methodologies and lean maturity metrics. So you can see in the introduction you will learn the agenda, what is the lean, overview of the lean. You can see principal lean, and also you will learn the type of waste, lean journey, and many more. And in the type of waste, you can see you will learn the transportation, inventory, motions, and also you can see waiting, overproduction, over processing. So this type of information you will get. Then you can see various tools are available, like you can see 5s plus 1, then Siri, you can see sit-ons, Sesu, Siketsu, Sitsuke, safety. These are the 5s, and also you will learn the 5s plus 1 summary, value stream mapping, Kaizen. You can see Kaizen bleeds, and Kanban, Pokayoke. So various things you will learn, and similarly you can explore these various lessons. So you can see in the you will also learn the various types of lean in the manufacturing sectors, then in lean in services, office. So this type of things you will get. And friend, you can see here you will also get the free certificate after passing their MCQ based examination, which is asked from the these simple lessons. So if you study properly, then you will pass the examination easily. And friend, you can say you can see here the certificate is given. So in which you can see your name will be given, and after that you can see here your certification course is given, that is a lean management, and also you will get the date and certification code. And it can be authorized by the anyone who wants to cross verify this certification. So friend, it is a authorized certificates, and you can share this certificate with prospective employers and your professional networks on the LinkedIn, so your candidature becomes stronger as compared to others. So friend, you can see here it is a free course, and you can see here you can see it is a course is a self-paced, so whenever you will get the time you can complete this course. And this course require total 5 hours. And you can see also completion certificate is you will be getting after the completion of this course. So friend, for enrolling in these courses, you have to simply click on this either login or start learning. So once you click, then this type of page will come. So you have to first register yourself at the simply learn, For registering, you have to simply click on the sign up, and after that you can see multiple options are given. So either you can log in with the Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Apple, and you can see here last is a sign up with email. So we are going to check with through email. So you have to simply click on this email button, and once you click, then this type of page will open, and you have to provide your first name, last name, then you have to enter your email address, then you have to select your country, and after that you have to provide your phone number, and you have to create one password, and you have to agree the terms and condition, and you have to create your account. And friend, once your account is created, then you will be simply log in, and this certification course will add in your dashboard, and from where you can access these certification courses. And friend, that is a very good content, and also you will get the video content, so you can easily understand. And friend, if you have not subscribed mechanical stream yet, please subscribe. It will motivate us to create more videos for you. And friend, if you have any doubt, please comment in the video, or if you want us give us any suggestion, please comment so that we can work on it and improve it. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. Thank you.